Let's practice finding the line of symmetry, the vertex, and where the graph would be increasing and decreasing for a couple of parabolas. Now remember that the line of symmetry, or axis of symmetry, is a vertical line that goes through the vertex of a parabola. So to find the vertex, we're going to also be needing, we'll also find the line of symmetry at the same time, so those two questions kind of go hand in hand. In this particular equation, this is in vertex form already, so it's pretty easy to answer the question, where's the vertex, since we have a transformation, a shift right 2 here, and a shift down 4 there. So instead of being at 0, 0, the vertex for this parabola will be at 2, negative 4. Then the line of symmetry, since it's a vertical line that goes through the vertex, the line of symmetry will be x equals 2, because it's the x value for the vertex. Now, where is this parabola increasing and decreasing? In order to answer that question, we have to think about what the graph is going to look like. This parabola is going to open down because of the negative in the leading coefficient here. So since it opens down, I know the picture is going to look kind of sort of like that. And the vertex is going to be at 2, negative 4. So when I think about the function increasing and decreasing, I know that increasing means the graph is going up. So as I go left to right, from negative infinity over to positive infinity, when I'm out at negative infinity, this graph is going uphill. It's going uphill as I move from negative infinity over to the x value of 2. So it is increasing from negative infinity until 2. And then the graph starts going downhill as I go from 2 to positive infinity. Let's look at an equation that is not in vertex form. Actually, when you look at that, it could be considered to be in standard or vertex form. It does not have a left or right transformation, but it is shifted up 4, and it has a stretch of 3. So the vertex with a shift of up 4 will be at 0, 4, and the line of symmetry just goes through the vertex, so it will be x equals 0. And let's look at where it's increasing and where it's decreasing. This parabola opens up, since that is a positive leading coefficient, so the graph is just roughly a parabola like that. And as I go from negative infinity to positive infinity, with my vertex labeled at 0, 4, I'm going to go left to right. As I move left to right, from at negative infinity, that parabola is going down or decreasing. So it's decreasing from negative infinity over to 0. So it's decreasing from negative infinity to 0. And then at the x value of 0, it starts to increase again. So it is increasing from 0 to positive infinity. In a third example, let's say h of x equals x plus 5 squared. This parabola has a shift left 5, so the vertex will be at negative 5, 0, and the line of symmetry goes through x equals negative 5, and the equation is x equals negative 5. Let's look at where it's increasing and decreasing. The parabola, since it doesn't have a negative out front, opens up. Go ahead and label my vertex at negative 5, 0. Remember, I want to move from negative infinity to positive infinity, left to right. So when I'm out at negative infinity, this parabola is going downhill. So it is decreasing. At negative 5, it turns around and starts increasing. So we are decreasing negative infinity to negative 5. And then at negative 5, it begins increasing, and it increases to infinity.